Hello everybody, I'm Lesson Gonsalves and welcome to the first episode of Cooking Addiction. So today I will be preparing one of the traditional Goan sweet called as Dodol. To make this, we will require coconut milk extracted from 13 medium-sized coconuts, 1 kg of coconut jaggery crust, 250 grams of rice flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 100 grams of cashew nuts roughly chopped. So here I have the thick and thin coconut milk in one container, and I'm adding the crushed coconut jaggery to it. And then I have added the rice flour, and a small quantity of sugar. After adding all the ingredients into the coconut milk, you stir it thoroughly so that all these ingredients are mixed properly. It gives a nice flavor to the sweet. After mixing it properly, you need to strain it because there might be some impurities or lumps due to the rice flour and the coconut jaggery. Once the coconut milk is strained in the copper vessel, which is known as the sautel, I'll be cooking it on the wood fire for almost 2 hours. First tip while making dodol. When you are cooking, make sure the heat is not too high or not too low, because if the heat is too high, it will burn the mixture and it's very unpleasant. If the heat is too low, it will prolong the cooking time. Second tip is that keep stirring it continuously, because that will help the mixture to cook evenly. Now you can see the mixture has started boiling. Now the mixture is almost getting thick, and now at this stage I will be adding the roughly chopped cashew nuts. Keep stirring it continuously so that the cashew nuts are evenly distributed. Once the sweet is fully cooked, I'll be storing it into the aluminum foil containers. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe it, and hit that bell icon to get notified about my new videos. If you have any suggestion or questions, you can comment below. Till then, I will see you next time in my next episode.